Who's that guy?
Oh, it's Merry Christmas.
What is that?
Horsey.
Look at that! Wow!
Oh.
You know about that? Oh, is that cool?
Who left you that?
Who got you that?
Whoa. Horsey.
Wow.
Yay!
Look at that! Who knows about?
Max, look at Mama.
Whoa.
Max, who got that for you?
Who brought the present?
Who brought the horsey for you?
Santa! Yay! Santa!
Boy. Whoa, Horsey.
That guy is
Giddy up. Do you love
We're all here.
Yeah.
Horsey. Giddy up.
Merry Christmas, Ruth.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, Celeste.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Max.
Can you say Merry Christmas, Max?
Merry Christmas, Nan.
Merry Christmas.
Yes.
Henry, Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Can I do a picture with Dad and you and me real quick?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, Douglas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
By the fireplace.
Here, stay there. We're going to do a picture. Yeah, you should